Alright, check this out. Abby, any knocking, even in a movie, freaks her out. Now, she doesn't know it's me. Watch this. Let's see what happens when she sees it's me. Vicious doggy. Oh, you vicious. Good girl. Boy, you sound scary. Yeah, I better not let anybody know how you really are. Oh, wait, I'm making a video. Oops. Oh, good girl. Okay, I gotta wait for the rental car. Okay. Oh, you drank your water too fast. Like 40 ounces. I gave her an entire full bowl and she has a large dog bowl. Alright. I thought everybody I just find that cool. And then of course, once you're inside, it's like, oh hey.